My name is Firuz Rakhimov. I work as a head of regional branch of the Center for Economic Research and Reform under the present administration of Uzbekistan in Jizak region. I participated as an expert in the project for implementation of the Island of Integrity program in Jizak city. The project is really well designed and participation of local specialists and management personnel in the prevention of corruption in the city contributes to the successful implementation of the program. Before the program was implemented, international expert Anna Vasilachi conducted courses for us. These courses helped us to correctly understand and successfully implement an international project.